Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're going to draw Mrs. Potato Head, the charming wife of Mr. Potato Head from Toy Story. We'll keep her design close to the original character while making the drawing process simple, fun, and easy to follow. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. It really helps the channel grow. So, grab your pencil, get comfy, and let's start drawing our lovely Mrs. Potato Head. Let's begin with her large eyes, eyelashes, nose, and big smile are what really give Mrs. Potato Head her personality. Take your time with these details, especially around the eyes and mouth. And remember, if any part of the tutorial feels difficult, pause the video and draw it at your own pace. There's absolutely no need to rush. Since Mrs. Potato Head has such a simple, rounded design, we can build most of the character using smooth and curved shapes. This is one of those characters where keeping the basic shapes simple is the key to making the drawing easy and fun. Did you know that Mrs. Potato Head actually first appeared in Toy Story 2? While Mr. Potato Head was already part of the original 1995 movie, Mrs. Potato Head became an on-screen character in the 1999 sequel. In Toy Story 2, Mrs. Potato Head is affectionately called Mr. Potato Head's sweet potato. And Pixar's official description also portrays her as an affectionate and lovingly overprotective toy. Mrs. Potato Head isn't just Mr. Potato Head's wife. The three little green men from Pizza Planet eventually become their adopted children. Disney describes the aliens as becoming forever loyal to Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head after Mr. Potato Head saves them. Her relationship with the little green men is actually pretty adorable. In the Toy Story universe, Mrs. Potato Head becomes part of their family, making the three little aliens the Potato Head's adopted children. For the ears, we'll simplify some of the smaller details as well. And later, we'll do the same with her little shoes, keeping them simple without losing her charm. We actually used a similar approach when drawing Mr. Potato Head, so if you've seen that tutorial, you'll recognize the idea. Look at her. Our Mrs. Potato Head is looking so charming, isn't she? Her cheerful expression really brings the character to life. Now let's add her hat and the flower on top. These little accessories are important because they help give Mrs. Potato Head her recognizable look. The original Mr. Potato Head toy was introduced in the early 1950s, and Hasbro's current Mrs. Potato Head products still feature interchangeable accessories and mix-and-match parts. Mr. Potato Head's original toy design was famous for allowing children to remove and rearrange his facial features and other accessories. That idea became an important part of the character's identity in Toy Story 2. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your friends. It really helps support the channel. And if you'd like to draw more characters from Toy Story, check out our Toy Story playlist by clicking the card above. We've already drawn Mr. Potato Head and many other members of Woody's gang, so there's plenty more waiting for you there. And now I'm curious, which Toy Story character should we draw next? Let me know your suggestion in the comments. For her shoes, we'll use very simple, easy shapes, almost mirroring the form of one to the other. If you prefer, you can simply draw them as semicircles. That will work really well too. The most important thing is to capture the character's overall shape and personality. Mrs. Potato Head played an especially important role in Toy Story 3. During the story, she loses one of her eyes while the toys are at Sunnyside, but that missing eye ends up helping her realize what is happening back at Andy's house. And Mrs. Potato Head is still very much part of the Toy Story family. Disney's official Toy Story site continues to list her among the franchise's main characters, alongside Woody, Buzz, Jessie, Ham, Rex, Slinky, Bullseye, and the rest of the gang. For her arms, we can use long, loose curves to give them that classic rubber hose feel. Let's place one arm on her hip, keeping it slightly bent and relaxed to match her playful pose. For the other arm, we'll raise it up and give her a little wave. Keeping this arm long and slightly wobbly makes the pose feel even more fun and expressive. And for when you color her, here are a few tips. For the main body, we're using a warm potato brown tone with a slightly darker shade around the edges to create a soft sense of depth. For the hat and gloves, we're keeping things mostly white, while adding subtle gray shadows to make them feel less flat. And for the shoes and lips, that bright red gives the character a lovely pop of color. The white highlights are especially important here. Since we're drawing Mrs. Potato Head as a plastic toy, those shiny highlights help create that smooth, glossy, toy-like appearance. But remember, these colors are just our choice. Feel free to experiment with different shades and create your own version of Mrs. Potato Head. And here's our Mrs. Potato Head. Beautiful and so cute, ready to join the gang. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!